Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aquarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can stay tuned for that, Aquarius. So let's start with these cards here. We have Master of Moons in reverse, Burning Tower in reverse, and Two of Moons. So, today, in your circumstances, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, you are um, you see something, or maybe you have an intuition or instinct about something, but you don't want to accept it. Maybe it may be something bad. You may feel really worried about something, about your circumstance, or worried about some person today in your circumstance. Maybe someone really close to you, a family member, maybe, and you are just denying it. You are just wishing that things will be different, or there will not be any troubles today for you or for that person. You are wishing them well, you are praying for them, but you are denying the truth today, denying to see what will happen or what will come forth, because you are really friendly with this person. You have that great friendship with them. That may be the reason. It may not be someone, it may not be something about the person you love, guys. Maybe someone else, someone really close to you. It may be your friend or a family member. uh, about someone you are hearing something about them, maybe, but you are not ready to accept whatever you hear. It may be some rumors, gossips, but that gossip or that rumor is going to come true today for some of you, and things will go in a very unexpected way for you, Aquarius. And this person, their circumstance is going to be very unstable. So, even in your relationship, there may be some changes you never expected happening today. Maybe with this person, this may be the energy, whatever we were speaking about, guys. It may be the energy in this relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are worried too much about this person. Maybe your instincts are telling you something, your intuition is telling you something. It may be something bad. You're worried about it and you don't want to believe it. You don't want to believe all that rumors or whatever you hear about this person, because you both share a great intimacy, love, and you feel a very deep bond and a deep connection with this person. That may be the reason you just cannot um, what to say, believe these rumors, whatever you hear about this person you love. So maybe these um, that may be the reason for some troubles today in your relationship, guys. Aquarius, maybe you have the power to change your circumstance today, maybe help this person out. But if you do not see yourself taking action, it is not going to make much of a difference today. Maybe if you can take action, helping this person you love, but you are denying the truth. That may be the reason for it may be the beginning of some trouble in this relationship, Aquarius. So something unforeseen or unexpected is what I see for you all in your relationship, or it may be in your personal life, maybe in with someone really close to you, with a family member maybe. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Knight of Suns in reverse. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe misunderstanding may be the reason for um, things going in a particular way. Maybe you are someone really committed, or maybe this person you love, they are not reciprocating your commitment, and they just want that exciting they are here only for that excitement and fun, and not for that commitment. That may be the reason for some misunderstanding, or that lack of clarity, or that their attitude may be the reason for their rumors, guys, whatever you hear. So they are just what to say, they have a different kind of attitude that is not working for you, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius, for your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. So we picked one card here, and it is Two of Spheres in reverse. So with this card, it just means that in your work circumstances, you have uh, people who are helping you and guiding you, but today you need to be really careful, because you cannot trust anyone. You cannot uh, give up your work, maybe rely on someone to do your work. You need to do your work, and you need to be clear about whatever you are doing. And today maybe you are getting some important letter of communication, maybe from regarding some financial deals or projects, whatever it may be. So some important communication is reaching you today, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. So it is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Solar Light. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today, in your circumstances, you are healing from some circumstance you have been through. And healing does not mean that you need to be perfect, but you must be aware of the truth that you are a divine being, and you're always connected to the universe or God or that higher spirit, whatever you call it. And that higher spirit or that conscious universe wants always the best for you. And you need to understand that when you know that you have that divine link, that unbreakable bond with that higher power. You will see your circumstance from a higher perspective, and you will not go back to your old patterns, whatever you wanted to move away from, guys. So that higher spirit can guide you where you need to be today. Maybe if you do not know what should be your next decision, maybe you are deciding something and you are not clear about those choices, you just need to meditate. Meditate, be silent for some time, and you will get that answer you need. And you must always be present, be aware of your actions, be aware of your circumstances. When you do that, you will create your own future, whatever you wish for, and you will move towards your dreams and goals, whatever that may be. And it boosts your self confidence and inner strength to hold on to whatever dreams or goals or uh, whatever we want to do. So, those intentions, positive intentions. So, you will have that courage to hold on to all those positive intentions and your goals or aspirations, whatever it is. And this crystal uh, card is about that, guys. It is about non attachment in any circumstance and seeing your circumstance from a higher perspective. So you will make the right choice without a speck of selfishness, and you are going to make that from a higher ground, feeling really balanced and peaceful at heart. So, when you make such decisions, you will never go wrong. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. So, let's see what is the second card for you all. We will see the second card. So, for those who chose this card, Snow White, purity. So, with this card, it just means that maybe in your circumstances, you have faced a lot. Maybe you have seen so much evil. You have seen people rejecting you or people really envious of you. But whatever bad things you have seen till now, it's not been enough to change you, because you are someone pure hearted, you are a pure soul, uncorrupted. And that is the beauty of your character. And maybe today your that beauty is going to shine. And even when others try to harm you and they are really bitter to you and they consider you as their rival, however they are towards you, you never reciprocate that. You never take revenge on those people. You just see evil, but you do not go for those what to say toxic feelings. You are someone pure hearted, and you're going to come out of these tests successfully, and your kindness will be rewarded. There will be trying times you are seeing today, maybe some challenges in your work or even in your relationship, but you are going to win, and you are someone really loving, caring, trustworthy person. And all that evil, whatever you faced, has not touched your heart, and you are a very pure soul. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you are good to everyone, and that goodness is coming back to you multifold, guys. And your kindness will always be rewarded. So you need not feel that you are really kind and compassionate, but people are not like that towards you. They are showing their angry side to you. You need not worry about all that, because with this card I see that your good nature is going to be rewarded today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.